how to calculate earning. So there's new net earning, which is subtracted from the last period's end value as a point value of earnings. How to calculate is gonna get you the loss value as well as the profit value as you do the subtraction. So at the end of the year, you have the profit, and it gets on the balance sheet as well. And let's look at the other point. There are some transaction documents to be mentioned as we go for this accounting purpose. There's a change sometimes in assets and liabilities that you want to document, and and all of these the three basic factors, they get it's something of value of transfer of assets, of clearing the liabilities, and these are entered into accounting system based on the details of related source documents in concrete. Some invoices or some checks or some bills. Okay, so let's move on. When we come to monetary amounts related to transactions and events, and then we have numbering system. This is called the chart of accounts, designed to organize accounts efficiently and minimizes errors in the recording system process. The T account format is used for all accounts, and all accounts in terms of numbering, and sequence. And each T account has a left debit and a right credit side.
account title 这个 debit 和 credit， 你如果是资产 ，debit 在左 ，credit 在右；你如果是 liability 呢，也是 debit 在左 ，credit 在右 ，equity 也是，不会所谓的什么翻一圈翻两圈都是左边是 debit， 右边是 credit。好，我们继续。
Let's move on. So we have the real accounts, where this is the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equities accounts whose balance at the end of the period are carried forward in the next period. When we talk about balance sheet, but we talk about also the permanent characteristic of the balance sheet. That they process the liabilities, they process the assets, they process the equity all together into calculating some kind of profit, and it's carried over. And there's also there's so many other accounts called dividend accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts that just worth noting. Their nature is very often used in transactions, and more often than not, the debit is on the left side, the credit is on the right side, and so you can kind of reconcile it. And wow. Okay. Mm-hmm. But temporary accounts have nothing to do with retained earnings.